Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file annual income tax. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as receipts for charitable donations or educational expenses. Having your Social Security number and prior tax returns handy will also streamline the process. This preparation ensures you have all the information needed for accurate filing. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file your taxes. You can opt for electronic filing, which is often faster and more accurate, or submit a traditional paper return by mail. It's crucial to select the correct tax forms, primarily Form 1040, which is used by most taxpayers. If your tax situation is complex or you prefer expert guidance, consider using reputable tax software or consulting a qualified tax professional. Now it's time to calculate your taxes. Carefully determine your total income, subtract any eligible deductions, and apply all applicable tax credits. This will help you figure out your tax liability or the refund you might receive. Use the official tax tables or your software's calculations to ensure accuracy. Before you submit, meticulously review every single entry on your return for any potential errors. Double-checking prevents delays and ensures correctness. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline, which is usually April 15th, to avoid any late filing penalties. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time. If you're due a refund, you can often choose direct deposit for quicker access to your funds. And for those who love to read, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Happy filing and enjoy your reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.